everybody, for those of you new to the channel, I'm Teresa Parent and I'm going to discuss the Helbiz Reversal with you today. Guys, what an exciting day it was for Helbiz. We had a very, very nice move to the upside that, in my opinion, was very long overdue. I really, really like this company and think it has great potential in the future. So anyways, let's get started. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice, and always do your own DD. Please smash that like button for me. And if you're long Helbiz, please comment below. I'd love to see how many others share the same confidence that I have in this company. Guys, for full disclosure, I am long this company and have been with no intent to sell anytime in the near future. I am not trading this just for a run. I actually have added this company to my portfolio and continue to add to it because I think it is going to be a very lucrative opportunity in the future. And these prices have just been phenomenal and continue to be phenomenal. I mean, getting this company for under $1 when at one time it was trading above at $41 is absolutely crazy. I mean, even SPAC, guys, it was trading at $10. So this is, absolutely nuts that it's this cheap. But, like they said, bear markets will create millionaires. And they're not kidding when they say that. If you pick the right stocks, you will be very, very fortunate. But guys, they're not going to happen overnight. But if you want to, play the runs in Helbiz, absolutely. There's great opportunity here. And I think that the trend can continue upwards again tomorrow. And going forward, who knows how long it'll last. This market's been kind of crazy. But let me show you what I'm looking at with this ticker. Okay, guys, so Helbiz was up 58.03% today, or 15 cents. And guys, it did actually get up to over 50 cents at one point today before it pulled back. And I'll show you the trick in just a few minutes of what the market makers used to get this stock to pull back down, which was pretty crappy, but they're always up to their tricks. So anyways, in the past week, guys, we are up 12 cents or 45.39%. And in the past month, we are still down 11 cents or 21.31%. And in the past year, we're down 96.60% or $11.36. And we're probably down like 99% of all-time highs, guys, which were, like I said, a little over $41. Now, the current short interest of Helbiz is showing at only 1.52%. Guys, that is actually really positive because I think most of the shorts have likely covered their position now at these rock bottom prices and are ready to take this stock long again. So that is bullish in my honest opinion. As you can see there's 1,600,000 shares available for anyone that's crazy enough to want to short it at this price. Personally, I don't see much value in that, but the cost to borrow rates are crazy high for a stock trading at 40 cents, between 69.78 and 74.66%. Seems kind of nuts to me to pay that much for something so cheap and take from your profits, right? But hey, to each their own. The short volume ratio, according to FINRA, has been between 34.55 and 68.20%. And today was 55.12%. Now, guys, they do have an opportunity here, given the fact that this stock is so cheap that there's probably a lot of retail investors buying it on platforms that do payment for order flow, like Robinhood and Webull. Not great platforms to use if you are long a stock, just saying. And as you can see, like I said, the failure to delivers are insignificant in this stock. So guys, tomorrow there's 51,414 that were due. But as you can see by the last date reported, 9/22, there was only 1,709 and there's nothing showing for 9/23. So rest assured, the dates are up to 9/30 now. They covered all their failure to delivers, guys. And like I said, I do believe that they brought this stock down an insane amount. They made killer money. If these hedge funds shorted it from that top at $40, or even if they shorted it from 30, 20, 10, whatever the case may be, they made their profits 10 times over. Now, guys, watch. They're going to reverse that, and they're going to go long, in my opinion. Now, interestingly enough, though, there's a couple things I want to show you, and I think I mixed something in. But anyways, Helbiz is given a strong buy by the one analyst that has rated it with a $13 price target. So you would over 26 times your money if you were to buy it and it were to go to $13, right? Guys, that would be phenomenal. Helbiz right now, as you can see, has a short-term bearish signal, but guys, that's because it's been in a downtrend, and it literally shows you in the most recent since 9/20, one neutral, one bullish, and one bearish signal. And after today, I would expect to see that we start seeing some more bullish signals, and for these to start to go positive if this trend continues, which I strongly believe it is going to. Now, real quick, I do want to show you what these little tricky jerks did. But just so you know that if you follow me in my morning watch list, I actually told you about Helbiz Monday morning on my watch list, and I was very surprised it didn't mention it again this morning because it didn't react yesterday like I thought it was. So maybe the hedge funds weren't done getting their positions in line to run it yet, which is my guess. But the reason that I knew that it had a run coming was because Salvatore, the CEO and owner of this company, he bought over 5 million shares, and that was reported in a filing on Friday afternoon. So I knew that Helbiz was going to rocket very, very shortly. Like, it was just a matter of time before that word got out. And I tried to tell you guys Monday, so hopefully you guys got in on that bottom and were able to make some profits on this. And, you know, hopefully you're able to continue adding to your position at these cheap prices, guys, because I'm telling you, this stock has a lot of potential to make some pretty big moves in the near future. In a late Monday filing, this is the crap that they pulled to drag the price down from 50 cents. But it's okay because it needed a pullback, and I believe it just continues the uptrend. But listen to this. They tried to say, Helbiz in late Monday filing shows a prospectus to sell up to 100 million in combination of securities. Essentially trying to make people believe that there was a new offering on the table, guys. This date you can see up at the top, or where I highlighted under where it says routers 10/7/2022. This filing for the mixed shelf of up to 100 million, it came on October 7th. Okay, so yes, there's a prospectus in line for them to do an offering. Of course they have one lined up. They're going to need money. They are a startup company that have been making huge acquisitions. I mean, do a little DD on this company, and I think you'll be as bullish as I am. Yes, at some point, I do believe an offering's on the table, but no, they didn't announce an offering today. And this prospectus and offering mixed shelf, guys, it is old news, and they tried to turn it around like it was something new to scare retail out, and you saw a selling frenzy happen right after that. So please, guys, I'm showing you this and pointing this out to you because I don't want you to fall for these traps and get screwed out of your profits. You know, it's one thing if you're day trading it, but if you're, you know, actually in this position and, you know, you want to hold it and you sold and whatever the case may be, like some people have limited cash, do all cash, and they can't buy back until their funds clear. You know, you could have gotten screwed and now be stuck waiting a couple of days to buy those shares back. You know, not everybody has that situation, but I have a friend that does, that it happens to him all the time, and I keep trying to tell him, you need to read, or at least call me first, because, guys, I tell you, the tricks that they pull are to no extent. Clearly, this came from Webull, who is known for being a company that, you know, supports these shorts. So please, by all means, do a little DD before you believe this crap. This is nothing new. Anyways, guys, I am psyched to see where Helbiz goes because from everything I just showed you, I am extremely bullish. I have been for a very long time, and I really didn't care about the pullback because it gave me an opportunity to add to my position. So this is great. Anyways, have a wonderful rest of your night. Thank you so much for watching. I did do a video on Apron. They have 39% short interest, and they just did a reversal off of their bottom. So check that out. Another two that I'm looking at for tonight, if my internet holds up, it's been acting horrible the past couple of weeks and just keeps getting worse, guys. But in case I don't get to it, I wanted to discuss AVCT. and what happened with them today, and RLMD, which you should all have on your radar. All right, guys, have a fabulous rest of your night.